Hey people, it's your girl Juliet. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's so good to have you here again. So today we'll be making gizzard and dodo. As you can see, I'm already boiling it, and I put in chicken spice and curry and thyme, and I have blended ginger, garlic, and half onion, medium size of onion, but cut into two. And now I'm frying the gizzard. I'm using the oil that I have used to fry my turkey. Now it's fried. Don't let it be too dry. It's just brown and not too hard. And now I slice my plantain in cubes. Be careful, guys, careful with the knife. This is a small chop. It's really good when you have friends around. You can make this for yourself and your husband, your wife, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. You have it as when watching film or when having over discussion over it's just good for so many things. A party as well, birthday party, wedding. That's why it's called small chops. All fried. And I will shift out the oil just to remove the brown things. And here I have 3 red bell pepper blended, and I had to shift it to drain out all the water. And make sure it's totally dry, no water coming out, no drips. It's very important. And I went in with my onion. I'm so sorry, guys, my camera stopped recording. And this is just the red bell pepper, and I went in with chicken spice and a little bit of beef spice. I love beef spice. I don't know why. I add it to all of my food, if you notice, and I stir. And I covered and let it cook for 10 minutes on a low heat, of course. And it's been cooking. You can see the oil popped up because all the water are dried. And I pour in the gizzard and dodo, mix together, and it's ready. How simple is that? So quick, very simple and delicious. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.